Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the problem before attempting fixes. Check your internet speed and connectivity before troubleshooting further. Open a browser tab and load another website to confirm online access. Next, confirm you are signed into the correct Google account in Classroom. Look at the profile icon in the top right to verify. Also note the exact error message and when it first appeared. Write down the time and any recent changes made to the device or account settings. Proceed with basic fixes that resolve most issues quickly. Clear cache and cookies in your browser or app settings and then restart the browser. If using the app, open Settings, choose Storage, and clear cache. Update or reinstall the Google Classroom app to the latest version from the App Store. Sign out and sign back into Google to refresh your session and tokens. Finally, restart your device and reopen Classroom to see if the error remains. If basic fixes fail, run advanced checks before escalating to support. Check Google Workspace status and service outages online to see if the problem is systemic. Review account permissions to ensure Classroom has required permissions like storage and microphone on mobile devices. Test Classroom on a different network or device to isolate the problem. If the issue persists, contact your school admin or Google support and provide the error text, device model, and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.